Hey guys, so today we are going to be making some slime with suave kids and some baking soda. I'm not sure if this will work. One of my friends told me, and we have something to put in and something. This is some birthday thing I did. Okay, let's grab suave kids and pour it in. It can be any kind of suave kids. It just has to be suave kids. Okay, I have to put this down. I don't want to look weird. I'm not going to add them up. Okay, so we are going to add, I don't know about that much stuff. I don't know if it'll work. I don't want to add a lot. It's like salt. Ooh, I added a little too much. Okay, let's mix it now. Let's see what it turns out to be. I think I already made some of this, and it was like a little sticky and a little weird and gooey, and I did not like that. It was really gross. Okay, let's and see what we get. It's all slimy. I'm gonna try to pick it up. So this is what it looks like if you pick it up. It's not really holdable if you want to make a mess on your hand. It's not really that much holdable. It's like this, see? It's really soft and see, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's like, just pull it up, pull it down. It kind of makes a mess on your hand, and that's why we have a bowl. So just go like this. And your hand isn't really that much messy. It is messy if you don't wipe it. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like if you did it right. Comment down below any more without glue, borax, or cornstarch. Just comment down below and subscribe and watch my other Musical.lys. I don't really make videos of me, but next video is gonna be about Musical.ly. So thank you guys. Love it. Love all you guys. See you next time. Bye.